Alright, so today we're going to be working on selecting parts of an image. And right now I'm going to be showing you the magic wand tool, which selects different colors that you specify, and this is how to use it. So here we just have an example image which I just drew pretty quickly. The tolerance is at 10 up here, and continuous, I'll show you what that means in a second. So if you just click with the magic wand tool on a specific color, it's going to select that shape that the color's in. So if you do Command D or Control D on a Windows computer to deselect it, if we try it with the green, it'll just select this green part and not this green over here. So if we wanted to select all the green in the image, then we would go up here and uncheck contiguous. So when we click on the green, it'll select all the green in the entire image, not just that one specific part. So if we go to yellow and have contiguous checked, it's just going to select this one part, or just this one part. But if we uncheck contiguous again, it'll select all the yellow in an image. So now that we have that, if we go over to this geometric shapes pattern, if we have continuous checked, which we probably want, your tolerance is how strong, or let me see, it's like how much it bleeds into the other shapes. So if we zoom in here, if I selected this part and then painted in red, you see how it bleeds over a little bit into the line? So then if we back up by going to the history palette, if we bring the tolerance up to about 50 and we click it, then it'll bleed over into the other shapes more. So it'll bleed into the other shapes more. And if you use the selection tool up here, you're not selecting any particular part of the image. You're just selecting that whole area on that layer. So if you made a selection like this and painted with your paintbrush, it would not go between any shapes because you haven't specified anything. So that's why the magic wand tool comes in really handy when you're painting stuff, or you wanna corner off a specific area that you want to paint in that's not a square or a circle like this. So this is going to be your guys' next project in a couple lessons, but for now I'll just show you this. You're going to have a choice of 3 different geometric patterns like this that I'll post to the Facebook page, and I'll provide a link to that in the description in the project that we do. But what you're going to do is use your skills of the magic wand tool and select, here I'm going to bring my tolerance back to 10 because 10 works pretty well for this, and you're just going to try to make the coolest pattern you possibly can by selecting different shapes and coloring them, and try out your hand at the tolerance and contiguous and just try to make the coolest shape possible. But we'll go over that in a little bit. And that's basically the lesson for today, is the magic wand tool. Not really exciting stuff, I know, but it really comes in handy in the later stuff that we'll do, and something that you'll need to know. Our next lesson, I guess, will be it'll be the lasso tool, because that one is also a selection tool, and we'll go over all 3 of these lassos, which are almost like the magic wand tool. They just corner it off from the outside instead of selecting the inside, and you can do a lot more with them. It's not color specific. So yeah, that's the lesson for today. Comment, tell me how I'm doing, rate and subscribe, and I will be making more videos starting tomorrow.